Hello, I'm Samantha. I'm representing the Marble Falls office over here in the Highland Lakes. I will say my number one job is keeping everybody in line, but don't tell them that. So besides keeping everybody in check and the trains rolling on time, what I also do is I help to coordinate things, and so I have a lot of contacts with my subcontractors and stuff like that. It's essentially just pulling in resources. It's just coordinating things and connecting all the dots. And then I also am happy to do all the marketing and events and stuff, and it's really genuinely a grand time. I love it here. I get to go out and spread the cheer of the company, so I get to represent, I get to go out, do all the Chamber of Commerce things, and it's just such a grand, amazing time. So if you guys know me, you know that I'm also a personal trainer, and so I just take the gym very seriously. I am very passionate about health and fitness. I also love to hike, so that consumes most of my time. I am also actively involved in ministry, so I actually travel a lot for that, which is really cool. And lastly, I do love shooting pew-pews on the weekends. Obviously, the hill country just has a different type of demographic, and there's a whole different vibe out here, if you will. And so the people, they care about different things than somebody in like a larger metropolitan area might. For example, we have a lot of lake houses, we have a lot of higher end customers out here, but not to mention the amount of like HOAs and things like that. So when you really get down to the nitty gritty of stuff, there's a lot of stipulations in place. And so one thing that we get to offer is being able to meet those standards and requirements, which is awesome. So you guys, our Marble Falls office is located off of Nature Heights Drive, right across the street from Walmart. And just come on down anytime you need us. We're happy to show you any samples, any sort of colors, materials that you might want to take a look at, and get you in contact with the right people to answer any of your questions.